my name is Hugo, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a wrap bottle out of recycled materials. We will need clear tape, glue, abaca twine, glass bottle, and scissors. Starting at the top of your bottle, tape the end of your yarn to the top of the bottle so that it is pointing down. Apply a thin layer of glue to the end of the bottle to hold the yarn in place and then start wrapping. As soon as you wrap, you will hide the end. Apply another thin layer of glue and continue wrapping. Try to wind each layer of yarn close to each other without any room in between. Try playing with different tensions to see what works best. When you get to the curve, you may need to ease up slightly on the tension. You may need slightly more glue to hold the yarn in place as the bottom curves outward. Continue down the bottle until you are about 4 cm from the bottom. Now turn the bottle over so it is upside down. Add more glue and finish wrapping. Once the glue has set, trim the end. And here is our finished product. You can use this to decorate your room or use this as a flower vase like this one. Thank you for watching. Bye!